Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to log out from your Snapchat account. Before starting today's tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Now, to log out from your Snapchat account, on the homepage of Snapchat, you can see a small icon with your profile on top left corner. Tap on the icon. Now, on the top right corner, you can see a small icon for settings. Again, tap on the icon. Now scroll down and at the bottom of the page you can see an option for logout. Tap on logout. Now select either you want to save your login information or not. I'll select yes. Now select if you are sure if you want to log out from your Snapchat or select cancel if you don't want to log out from your Snapchat. Since we are logging out from our Snapchat, tap on logout. You have now successfully been logged out from your Snapchat. I hope this video helped you learn how to log out from your Snapchat account. Do like and leave a comment in the comment box. Enjoy!